In this video, we are going to talk about how we find Laplace inverse by using the method of partial fractions. So before going to the problems, you have to remember these standard results of Laplace inverse. Let us start from the first question. We have to find L inverse of 1 over s plus 1 into s plus 3. Let us consider the given function without inverse as f of s. So I have f of s is equal to 1 over s plus 1 times s plus 3. Since the denominator has two linear factors, this is one linear factor, this is another linear factors, I have to introduce two values a and b, and I can write a over s plus 1 plus b over s plus 3. By dividing this equation both side by s plus 1 and s plus 3, that will give you 1 is equal to a times s plus 3 plus b times s plus 1. Then I have to find the value of a and b. To find the value of a and b, let me substitute s equal to minus 1. So if I substitute s equal to minus 1, b gets cancelled and I will get a value as 1 over 2. Similarly, if I put s equal to minus 3, a will get cancelled and I will get b value as minus 1 over 2. Substitute a value and b value in this equation, we will get 1 upon 2 divided by s plus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 upon s plus 3. The question is, I have to find L inverse. So let me take L inverse for these two. So we have 1 over 2 upon s plus 1 plus L inverse of minus 1 over 2 upon s plus 3. By taking the constant outside, we have 1 over 2 L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 over 2 L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. So the final answer is 1 over 2, this is e power minus t, minus 1 over 2, this is e power minus 3t. Question number 2, we have given L inverse of 1 over s times s plus 1 times s plus 2. So we have three linear factors, s plus 1 and s plus 2. So I have to write this into partial fraction. So we have a by first linear factor s plus b by second linear factor s plus 1 plus c by, it's not b, it is c by s plus 2. Okay, so now dividing both sides of the equation by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. If I do so, I will get 1 is equal to a times s plus 1 times s plus 2 plus b multiplied by s times s plus 2 plus c multiplied s times s plus 1. Then we have to put some values to get the value of a, b and c. If I substitute s equal to 0, I will get 2a is equal to 1. So a equal to 1 by 2. If I substitute s equal to minus 1, I will get minus b equal to 1. That means b equal to minus 1. If I substitute s equal to minus 2, I will get minus 2c equal to 1. So from this I have come to a conclusion that c equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute a value, b value and c value here, we will get this one. Then these three terms I have to apply L inverse separately. From the first term we have to take 1 by 2 outside. From the second term we have to take minus 1 outside. From the third term we have to take 1 over 2 outside. So we will get this one. Now by applying L inverse, we know that this L inverse of 1 over s is 1. In the second term, we know that L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is equal to e power minus t. From the third term, we know that 1 over s plus 2, it's going to be e power minus 2t. So my final answer is 1 over 2 minus e power minus t plus 1 over 2 e to the power minus 2t. Question number 3. We have given 7s minus 1 divided by s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. So let us consider my function f of s as 7s minus 1 over s plus 1, s plus 2, s plus 3. So this is, we have three linear factors, 1, 2 and 3 linear factors. So we introduce three values a, b, c. So let me write this as like this. Then as usual, divide both sides of the equation by s plus 1, s plus 2 and s plus 3. So if we multiply both sides of the equation like this, then we have this one, 7s minus 1 is equal to a times these two values, s plus 2, s plus 3, plus b by s plus 1, s plus 3, plus c divided by, c multiplied by s plus 1 and s plus 2. Now by putting s equal to minus 1, we know that a equal to minus 4. Because if we substitute s equal to minus 1 here, this will cancel, this will cancel, you will get a equal to minus 4. Then if I put s equal to minus 2, then we will get b equal to 15, because this cancel, this cancel. Similarly, if I put s equal to minus 3, a gets cancelled, b gets cancelled, and I will get c value. Now substitute a value, b value, c value here, and then take L inverse for this one. So we have L inverse of this plus L inverse of this plus L inverse of this. We know that before taking L inverse, I have to take the constant outside. So the first term will become minus 4 L inverse of s plus 1. The second term, take 15 outside. Then we have L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. From the third term, take minus 11 outside. We have L inverse of 1 over s plus 3. So I have minus 4 L inverse of 1 by s plus 1. It's going to be e power minus t, plus 15 L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. It's going to be e power minus 2t, minus 11 L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. It's going to be e power minus 3t. Question number 4. In the first three questions, the denominator has linear factors. Now I have repeated factors. So repeated factors means it is like this, s plus 1 power 2. So we have one repeated factors and one linear factors. For linear factors, we have to write like this, a by s plus 1 power 1 plus b by s plus 1 power 2 plus c by s plus 2. So I have this one, s minus 1 equal to a into s plus 1 times s plus 2 plus b into s plus 2 plus c times s plus 1 the whole square. So that means we are dividing both side of this equation by s plus 1 the whole square plus s plus 2. So here also every term you have to multiply by this. Here b multiplied by these two terms, c multiplied by these two terms. So we will get this one. Then as usual, by putting random values, s equal to minus 1, we will get b equal to minus 2. By substituting s equal to minus 2, we will get c equal to minus 3. By putting s equal to 0, we will get a equal to 3. Please remember, whenever you substitute s value, you have to substitute for left hand side of this equation and right hand side of this equation. Both side you have to replace these values, minus 1, minus 2 and 0. After that, we know that a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 3. So substitute these values, then we will take L inverse. Before taking L inverse, take 3 outside from the first term, take minus 2 outside from the second term, take minus 3 outside from the third term. So we have this one, 3 into L inverse of 1 over s plus 1 minus 2 into L inverse of 1 over s plus 1 the whole squared minus 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. So what is the final answer? 3. L inverse of this one is e power minus t. Second term minus 2, we have L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 the whole square. So first we will replace s plus 1 as e power t. Then I have L inverse of 1 by s power 2. Okay. Third term minus 3, L inverse of 1 by s plus 2, it's going to be e power minus 2t. So first term, third term, no problem. It is already in the final stage, but still we have the second term, we have to apply L inverse. So consider this one. So this is going to be minus 2 e power t. Again we have to take L inverse of 1 by s power 2. This is nothing but t power 1 divided by 1 factorial, nothing but t. So my final answer is 3 into e power minus t minus 2 into e power t times t minus 3 into e power minus 2t. Let us discuss one more example. This is a partial fraction third case. First case linear factors, second case repeated factors, and the third case it is like this format, s power 2 plus some value a power 2. So here s is missing. So how you write the partial fraction? The partial fraction is going to be write like this: a by the linear factor s minus 3. Since s is missing in the quadratic form, you have to multiply s with b. So the second term you can write bs plus c divided by s power 2 plus 4. So I have s equal to a times s power 2 plus 4 plus bs plus c times s minus 3. By putting s equal to 3, we will get a equal to 3 by 13. By putting s equal to 0, we will get c equal to 4 by 13. Since there is no value to substitute to calculate b, what I am going to do, compare the coefficient of s power 2 on both sides of the equation. So since there is no value to substitute, you have to compare the coefficients. In this case, I am comparing the coefficient of s power 2 on both sides. So by comparing s power 2 on both sides, we will come to know b value as minus 3 over 13. Then substitute a value here, b value here, and don't forget to multiply s because we have taken bs. Then write c value here. Then as usual, take 3 by 13 from the first term, you will get this. From the second term, you can split into two terms like this. So this is going to be our first term and this is going to be our second term. So we will get this. My second term is minus 3 by 13 L inverse of s by s square plus 4, and my third term will be 4 by 13 L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. So from this it will become e power 3t. From this it will become cosine 2t. From this it will become sine 2t by 2. By simplifying these two, you will get the final answer as 3 by 13 e power 3t minus 3 by 13 cosine 2t plus 2 by 13 sine 2t. So these are the three different methods in partial fraction to find L inverse. So these are the some exercise problems. Try yourself and check with the solution. See you in the next video.